Hi folks, today I'm going to make Matar paneer in a microwave oven. Matar paneer is a Punjabi delicacy made from cottage cheese and peas cooked in a gravy of tomatoes, onions and spices. It is a side dish to be eaten with rice or rotis. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients. But before I proceed, can I request you to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe? Thank you. Today I'm going to cook this dish entirely in the Samsung Smart Microwave Oven. It can be made very quickly and easily in the microwave. It will be very delicious. During the process, I will be using the grill, microwave mode, and Indian combination modes of the Samsung Smart Oven. I'll show you how to set the parameters directly on the oven itself. The advantages of making this dish in the microwave oven is that very little oil is needed and it can be cooked very fast. It'll be very delicious. Now I will show you how to cook it.
Let's have a look at the ingredients. I have laid out the ingredients in front of me. 2 bay leaves, Ceylon cinnamon bark, star anise, bada elaichi, small cardamom or elaichi, pepper seeds. This is caraway seeds or kala jeera. This is normal jeera or anise seeds. And then I have cloves, plenty of coriander seeds. These will all be ground, star anise. So these are the ingredients which will go into making the paste for the gravy. And then I have 4 tomatoes chopped up in a mixie jar, and I have chopped up 1 onion over here. I will be making the gravy with the onion and tomato, and I have 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. The main ingredients which are going to go into the Matar paneer is 1 cup of peas like that. I poured it inside it, added some water for it to cook, not too much water. Then I have 250 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. This is going to be the base for the gravy, and then I will be subsequently at the end of the cooking, I will be adding other ingredients to season it. So let's begin with these steps.
First, I'm going to start by cooking the peas. Take the peas in a microwave safe dish. Place it in the microwave. Choose microwave. 900 watts. Then cook it for 2 minutes. Then sufficient. The next step, grill the cottage cheese. I'm taking the cottage cheese cubes from the tray of the microwave supply tray. I sprayed some olive oil. I kept the tray on the high rack and placed the high rack properly. Close the lid, cancel the program, and now choose grill. So by default, the grill time is 1 minute, so I will increase it to 12 minutes and press start. See if the cottage cheese has been grilled sufficiently. Now the cottage cheese has been nicely grilled. I've now transferred the cooked cheese into a bowl of water. This will serve 3 purposes. One is that the cheese pieces will remain juicy on the inside, and since they're already crunchy on the outside, that will give them an added taste. And then water will hold the cheese together and prevent its disintegration. And it will be wet instead of just being dry. Now we are ready to proceed. And for the next step, proceeding to the next steps, to prepare the gravy. Microwave safe bowl. 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. I'll be adding, I've chopped up 1 onion here. I'll be deep frying the onions. I'll also add the ginger garlic paste to this. Get back to the microwave.
Onions,
And ginger garlic paste. Choose Indian recipe. Now it comes to one. Turn the knob to get it to Indian vegetables 1.2. Press enter and then press start. So it will cook for 8 minutes and the onions will get brown. After 2 minutes, an alarm has sounded. Be careful to handle the lid with a glove. So at this time, I can add the other spices and let them also cook. I've already lined up all these ingredients for the masala. I will transfer them all into this onion dish. 2 bay leaves, Ceylon cinnamon bark, star anise, that is bada ilaichi, chota ilaichi, pepper, cloves, coriander, jeera, caraway seeds or kala jeera, and khaskhas. All these should now fry together. Reposition it in the microwave. Close the lid and press start again. Stir the spices. Onions are browned. Now I'll be adding pureed tomatoes to this and transfer the contents into a mixing jar. Freshly ground spices. So puree into this masala. Cook it for 3 minutes. I've added the peas to the gravy. Now I'm going to add the cottage cheese into it. I will add salt. Transfer it to the microwave. Microwave 900 watts. About 3 minutes. For the saute, 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, jeera, hing or asafoetida, turmeric, 1-0. The saute which I just prepared. Microwave 2 minutes. Arakam. Finally, add some butter to it and sprinkle some coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. So this is Matar paneer. Let's serve it. Matar paneer, a tasty Punjabi dish meant to be eaten with rice and rotis. Let's see how it tastes. The dish has turned out to be well. If you found this video useful, then you may like this one where I made a palak paneer in the microwave oven. If you found some value in this video, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to my channel AK Venkatachala and press the bell icon to receive all notifications whenever new videos are uploaded. I'll see you again in another video. Bye for now.